today, everybody? Coyote here, and today we got some goodies for the DRZ. We got the Fender Eliminator kit. As you can see, we're going to get rid of this big old school bus in the back of it here. It looks god awful anyway. Over here, this is all our goodies that we got. We got our bracket, got 2 sets of taillights. Now the reason for that is because I called them and asked them if it came with one. They said no, but it came with one anyway, so I'm not going to argue with that. It's 2 sets of lights, and I'm not going to put this one on there anyway. I want the smoke lens, so I'm going to use that one. These are my turn signals. They're actually made for mounting on brackets or on the edge of the end of the handlebars, and I don't know, I just thought they were cool. I thought they were that on the back where they're not huge, they're about that big, so they're kind of discreet, and I figured that I don't know, it'd be a nice little sleek look, and they're 360 degrees. The light shines 360 degrees, so I thought that'd be neat. And then right here we have our wonderful paperwork. We got contracts in here. We got to sign them. We got to send them off. You know, they send them back to your thing to tell you or not if you can put this kit on there in the first place. You know, so just kidding. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Hey, Lobo. Hey. He's like, what are y'all doing? Alright guys, I may sound a little funny on this because I'm not wearing my mic right now. This is the first time I've ever done this, so I don't know exactly what to take off first or anything. So I'm going to go with taking this bolt off and this bolt off. And that's a 10mm, that's an 8mm. This is a 10mm, and I'm thinking that I'm probably going to have to take that one off too. I think they put enough washers on it. What's the matter? You just want to play, don't you? You just want to play, don't you? You just want all the attention in the world, and you want to ride the mule. That dog is literally, absolutely obsessed with the mule. Not the actual horse mule, the Kawasaki mule. Not gonna lie, I kind of wish I had a garage. Kind of wish I had a motorcycle stand. Maybe I should just buy one. Look where my I've had my tag ripped off this thing twice. You see where it's been scraped right there? It's been rubbing the tire. Whenever I'll jump or something like that, whatever, this thing like comes down and it hits and it's bit my tag off, and I've broke my tag off twice. Lost one of them. And then the other one fell off in my driveway, luckily. Alright. I'm holding the hand, or I'm holding my hand in one hand, just so you know. Now, I'm holding the camera in one hand, trying to do this with the other hand, so bear with me if I'm not like spot on where I should be with the camera. I'm trying. Oh, it's starting to fall. Yeah. Alright, that's off. Ding, 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 ding. Now, I got those, the Eliminator kit I got from Redzilla. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got them, you know. And then the turn signals and that other taillight, the smoked one, I got from Amazon. I got the smoked taillight from Amazon for like, I think it was $9, and then I got the turn signals for $12. So can't really argue with that. And there we are. This goes in here just like this, obviously. Alright, and then these will go on top which will be where your light will kind of bolt up underneath it. And look how, oh man, that fits so good up underneath there. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. I'm going to actually mount my tail light first, which is probably what you're supposed to do. Well, work smart, not hard, and I just worked stupid because I got these backward. This one's supposed to be on this side, this one on this side, blah blah, and so forth. Looks like we're gonna have to improvise. Alright guys, so change of plans. This light right here, I don't recommend it, I guess, because it's too wide right here. And so it won't, I can't get everything, nothing will line up. I could change it, I could alter it, I could make things work and happen, whatever, but I'm just not really worried about it right now. And besides that, like, this is a nice light, but check this thing out, man. This thing's sweet looking. I really like the way this looks, like how it does little diamond hexagon shapes in there, whatever, you know. It's pretty sweet looking. So I'm gonna go with this one, and then later on, I know some guys up here in town that I can just get this smoked Laminax, whatever, something. Alright, so now let's carry on where we're at and start installing this bad boy. Alright, so now that's tight. Now we can grab our 10mm bolts, run through there. The screws that are coming from the back of the tail light, they're hitting the metal bracket on the bike. It's hitting the bracket right there. So now I'm gonna have to grind these down just a little bit. So let me go do that and I'll be back. All right, everyone, I'm back. So what I did is we went in there and took a Dremel tool, and if you can see, we cut them off a lot shorter. Everything. You can probably take a file and run across them. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So that'll help out getting by this mountain bracket. Get out of here, wasp. Yeah, look at that. That's slick. I love that. Looks really good. Go on there. Run these wires through here. Check that out. That's gonna be slick. I really like that. Now we gotta run all the wires through the I've got a huge bolt that comes back in the back, but it'll be okay though. I like that a lot. Pull everything up. All right, everybody. Finally got everything put back together. Wiring was a little bit complicated here and there, but I mean, it's red goes to red, black goes to black. It was kind of stuff like that, you know, so it was pretty good. And so here's the finished product. Check it out. What do you think? It looks snazzy, don't it? Oh yeah. All right, let's turn it on now. What do you think? Y'all like that? There's that one. And obviously the other one's gonna be exactly the same. But pretty cool. All is done. And I'm gonna do again, I'll do another part of the video too at nighttime. That way y'all can see what it does at night and how good the turn signals do and so forth. But I'll cut to there. All right, behold my tail light. I mean, it's nothing like special, but it looks sexier than socks on a rooster, I tell you that. Here's the turn signal. Is that awesome? My dad's coming down the driveway, so I gotta hurry before. Looks good, don't it? All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have some more stuff coming in the mail, some more goodies. Well, it's just one goodie, and I think you'll enjoy that pretty good. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it helps on how to install these Eliminator kits on the back of the DRZ. And please like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.